Hello everybody, this is Andy with Intelligent Video Solutions, and in this short video we're going to be going over the right that you can give a user group to access the Rooms and Cameras section of the settings within VALT. To start, we'll click on Settings, Users and Groups, select the group we want to give this right to, and scroll down to Rights. Within Rights we'll find Settings, and then about 4 lines down we'll find Rooms and Cameras. So if you check this box for a user group, when they click on Settings, they will see the Rooms and Cameras option here. Without the checkbox checked, they won't see this. By giving them this permission, they can go in and see all the rooms, cameras, and other streaming devices that you currently have set up within VALT and make modifications to those. So for instance, if I take our OR room here, I can click Edit and change out things like the name, the container, the grid view if you have more than one stream, and then add any other cameras that we maybe have in our system that we want to put in here. Or associate this room with some sort of I/O device like a start-stop button. Aside from rooms, I can see all the cameras or other streaming devices that we have already set up, and I can make modifications to these if we need to, or I can add new cameras, new rooms, or new streaming devices. So that's the permission to access the Rooms and Cameras section of the settings within VALT.